Welcome back to the CR Auto channel. Today we are diving into the 2026 Ferrari F80, a car that truly redefines luxury and performance in every way. Starting with the exterior, the F80 immediately grabs attention with its aggressive and aerodynamic design. The sharp lines, sleek curves, and signature Ferrari styling make it a head-turner on any street. The front fascia features bold air intakes and LED headlights that give it a fierce look, while the rear is equipped with an impressive diffuser and quad exhausts that not only enhance performance, but also add to its sporty appeal. The lightweight carbon fiber body not only improves aerodynamics but also gives it a futuristic high-end feel. Moving on to performance, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is nothing short of a beast. Under the hood, it houses a twin-turbo V8 engine producing an astonishing 750 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3 seconds. The handling is razor-sharp thanks to Ferrari's advanced suspension system and rear-wheel steering, making cornering and high-speed driving a pure thrill. The car also comes with multiple driving modes, including Sport and Track, which adjust the throttle response, suspension stiffness, and traction control for an exhilarating experience. The F80's braking system is top-notch, featuring carbon ceramic discs that provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring safety even at extreme speeds. Inside, the Ferrari F80 combines luxury with cutting-edge technology. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring premium leather seats with customizable stitching and carbon fiber trims throughout. The infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, offering navigation, connectivity, and performance monitoring at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing key performance stats while maintaining Ferrari's iconic aesthetic. Despite being a high-performance sports car, the cabin offers comfort for longer drives, with excellent ergonomics and climate control systems that make every journey enjoyable. Finally, when it comes to price, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is positioned at the high end of the supercar market, reflecting its exclusivity, advanced engineering, and luxury. While exact pricing may vary depending on customizations, it starts at around $450,000, making it a true collector's dream and a symbol of automotive excellence. Overall, the Ferrari F80 is a perfect blend of style, speed, and luxury, delivering an unmatched driving experience for enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Ferrari F80. Stay tuned for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.